Hey everyone, it's Gary. Back with another, first Foundry RC video. Alright, smaller box this time. Big break from everything else. This is the Axial SMT10 Gravedigger. I picked up this truck because back in the day when I first got into the hobby, I was a big fan of the Clodbuster. Now I know I should go get a Clodbuster, but the way I want it was completely done up, and I haven't been able to find the chassis and all the pieces yet. So when I do find it, there'll be a Clodbuster here. Now, I'm into RC, not just gas. I do everything. I do the E-words. So here we go. Now I'm also a fan of green, so that's another reason why I chose the Gravedigger. But let's open this thing up and see what we got in here. I'm hoping this will be somewhat similar or competitive to the Gravedigger. But I see on YouTube for the Monster Jam style RC stuff, this seems to be one of the trucks they use. So. And there we go. Wow. I'm not used to 10 scale. This thing seems tiny. Alright, so we got a remote here. Tactic remote. Has a nice feel, has some foam on the steering, but again, I probably won't be using this. It's probably a good radio. I ain't gonna tell you how it is. I don't know how it is, so if you're gonna go and drive with it and go far away, do it at your own risk. Alright, so we have a bag full of parts here. Lots of parts. Looks like spare parts. Some glow-in-the-dark parts. Fake engine parts, tools. We got the sponsorship badges. Let's see. Yeah, it goes right on over here, and you put all the sponsorships on them. Alright, let's see. Is this thing tied down? Of course it is. Got two straps right here. You know, I really miss the days when all the RC cars you get need to be put together. That was part of the fun of this thing. These cars that come complete, it's nice because you can get up and run right away, but I think it creates a bunch of people that don't know how to fix their car. And I don't know, I think, to be honest with you, I had an Inferno, Nitro Inferno, about 27 years ago. Hate to admit that I'm that old, but I actually learned a lot about cars from that thing. I mean, they're different in many ways, but there's a lot of similarity. And just by learning how to work on that thing, I learned a lot of stuff. We got it out. Nothing else in here. There she is. Nice. Nice bounce. Perfect. It's got a little driver in there. It looks like the head might glow in the dark based on the color of it. Got the classic Gravedigger body. I'm planning to change the tires out. I have the MIP drive shafts, and what else am I going to do with this thing? I'm going to see if I can make it four-wheel steering. Alright, that's it for now. I don't have a battery or anything for it yet. I got the manual. Alright, look for these videos of this in the future. If you want to see more, say something in the comments, and maybe I'll try to work on it sooner. Otherwise, I got my gas cars and everything else to go right now, so this is going to kind of sit on my shelf and look pretty for a while. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. Hi. Was that you?